Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you circle. Okay. Now in this circle, what we will see? I have already taught you circle. No. Yes. Yes. No. The answer is yes also and no also. Why? Because I have already introduced to the topic circle. Got it? And now I am going to teach you in more detail. Okay. Each and every topic has vast knowledge related to that. But we will see one by one, step by step, as per our syllabus or as per our capacity. First, let me tell you the terms related to circumference. Circle. What is the spelling? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Okay. How the circle looks? Like samosa? No. Like bangle? Correct? Very good. You know. That means you have revised the topic, isn't it? Now I will tell you the terms related to the circle. Okay. I have made a circle here. I have put a dot in that. Fine. What I have did? I have made a circle. So what is this? The boundary of this figure. What is this called as? This is called as circumference. C-I-R-C-U-M-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Circumference. Got it? Understand the spelling, pronounce properly, by heart it also. You should not make mistake. Fine. Next, this center. What I told? Center. Where it is? In the center of this figure. So, it is known as center. Okay. Now, if I name this as P, so what will tell us? Center P. Got it? You have to name everything. Otherwise, how we will call? Now, suppose I have made a circle. I have put a point in that. Now, this point, I am going to touch the circumference. Got it? What I have did? I have drawn a circle. From the center point, I have drawn a line touching the circumference. What is this called as? Before that, नामकरण करना है इसका. So what is the name? Suppose I put as PQ. Okay. So PQ is equal to what it is called as? Radius. What is radius? Radius is a line drawn from the center of a circle to the circumference. The short form is R. Okay. Now suppose one circle is there, center is there. I am drawing a line from the other side of the, not side actually, in circle there is no side, from one part of the circumference to the other part of the circumference, but it is passing through the center. Okay. What I have did? I have drawn a chord which has been touching both the parts of the opposite parts of the circumference but passing through the center. Now suppose if I name it as RS. So what is this RS called? Diameter. Okay. RS is equal to diameter. And what is the short form? D. RS is the diameter and the short form is D. Got it? What I taught you? Circumference, center, radius and diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Okay. Now if I draw a line, suppose from one part to the other part, but is it passing through the center? No. So it is only a chord, not a diameter. Okay. So all chords I'll put in this manner. A chord which pass through the diameter. Diameter? No. Then what? Pass through the center. C-E-N-T-R-E. Okay. A chord which pass through the center of the circle of the circle. Circle is called what? Dash. Diameter. diameter. Why I am teaching you very slowly, pausing and explaining twice, thrice? Because this is very important. Diameter, radius, center. Otherwise, you will not be able to find the area of the circle. Okay? So, understand the diameter, radius, circumference and center. So, what is the chord? Chord is a line which is touching on any parts of the circumference of the circle. But if it passes through the center, then it is a diameter. Now from this you can find it out that radius is half of diameter, or you can say diameter is 2 times the radius. Understood? Circumference, center, radius, diameter. 2 more points which I have to explain in this related to circle. Now suppose this is a circle. This is the center. From here I draw a line and I have shaded this. First of all, it was a full circle. Now I have made it into half. Then this figure which is called as what? Semicircle. Okay. A circle which is divided into 2 halves, it is known as semicircle. Got it? Now suppose this is a circle, point P. Here I have made some points. Okay. I told the circle doesn't have any side, circle doesn't have this, that and all. Then how you will recognize the circle and how you will name it? Center you can put, okay. If there is a line passing through, that time also you can name it. In other ways, if I want to find the degrees, then how I will find it? For that, we have to understand the arcs. Okay. Now suppose R, how you will write it as? R, Q, T. So this one is called as arc. R, Q, T. Got it? What is R? The boundaries. And how you will name it? For example, this arc I want to name it. That is R, Q, T, S. Okay. Now what is this portion called? Arc. Okay. Arc comes in circle. Understood arc? Understood semicircle? Okay. Radius, circumference, center. Understood thoroughly? Let me revise. I have drawn a circle. I gave a dot in the center and it is known as center. The boundaries are known as circumference. Then we saw the point, that is center, to the circumference, radius. Then a chord passing through the center of the circle and touching the circumference, it is known as diameter. A circle divided into 2 parts, semicircle, and the boundaries which of a circle we call it as arc. Thorough with this? Very good. Keep revising and keep studying. Fine? Take care.